Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by eliminating software bottlenecks. Update your GPU drivers, then restart the PC so changes take effect. Once done, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and disable sleep to prevent throttling. Next, close resource-heavy background apps, browsers, overlays, Cloud Sync, because they steal CPU and RAM. Make sure to also disable in-game overlays temporarily. They often conflict with rendering. These steps give you the clean baseline needed before changing the game settings or testing performance. You now tune the game. Reduce resolution to 1280 x 720 or 1366 x 768 and lower render scale to around 0.75 to dramatically drop GPU load. Turn off VSync to avoid input lag and set textures, shadows, and post-processing to low because those cost the most. Once done, enable Windows Game Mode and set the game process priority to high in Task Manager to favor CPU scheduling. Also, make sure you finish by moving the game to an SSD and confirming you have at least 816 GB RAM. Swapping to faster hardware is the only long-term cure if settings fail. Verify game files through the launcher or reinstall the game, and make sure your antivirus excludes the game folder so scans don't interrupt load. If things go wrong, open Task Manager and watch CPU, GPU, disk, and memory during gameplay. This troubleshooting tip reveals which component is the real bottleneck, so you can target the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.